In a world of constant change, family becomes our sacred anchor. In a world of constant change, family becomes our sacred anchor. True connection begins with presence, compassion, and love. Family is not only blood, it is every soul who reminds you who you truly are. Healing often happens in the smallest moments shared together. A smile, a meal, a conversation can restore the heart, release old patterns, and create new foundations, rooted in truth and kindness. Celebrate the people who nourish your spirit and encourage your growth. Love grows stronger when we listen, soften, and remain present. Togetherness is one of life's greatest gifts and teachers. Celebrate the moments, celebrate the connection, celebrate the love. Join us in the celebration of you at www.franbaileyhealer.com.